Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is very exciting for me. I am going to be showing you some products that I have received from PR, and this really makes me happy because I get to show you some products that maybe otherwise I wouldn't have tried, or just things that get sent to me that I can create new looks with and just new products that I can try out. So I'm going to start off with a very special package. It's very special now because it just kind of, I don't know, it just made me really happy with what happened after that. So the first product that I'm going to show you is this big Pixi PR package, and this one has the collaborations between Pixi and some other beauty influencers, and one of them is Dulce Candy. So I entered the contest and I'm super excited because I will be flying to California to meet Dulce Candy in a meet and greet, just the two of us. Like, that is just so weird. So I'm really excited, and now it just makes me really happy looking at this PR package because that came from that. Now I am going to be taking some things with me for whenever I go to California to meet her, but I am going to put them right back because I'm going to leave this PR package the way that it is. So the first thing that is in here is the Chloe Morello collab, and she came out with a palette and a lip gloss. This one is a palette and it comes with some eyeshadows, and then this one I'm pretty sure it's for eyebrows. Maybe it's not. Blush shades, eye shades, and eyeliner, brows. Okay, yeah, it is. It is for brows. I thought so. And then it comes with 3 blushes. She also came out with a lip icing, which is just like a lip gloss. It's really glittery, very pretty. And then in the middle of this package is Dulce's collab, and one of them is a face palette. You can use these on your eyes, on your cheeks as a highlight, as bronzers. You can pretty much multi-use these, and it comes with some browns, some pinks, and some more like golden browns. And then she also came out with a lip palette, and I had used this in different looks. And then the last product that's in here is an eyeshadow palette with an eyeliner, and I did use this eyeshadow palette to create the cut crease that I used to enter the video. So these are all of the products that came in this PR package. Okay, the next products are from Too Faced, and I know Too Faced, right? I did create a video using one of these products already. This one is the eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. I just said that, but it's the natural matte eyeshadow palette, and it has some very pretty mattes in here. I did create a whole video using the palette, reviewing it, showing you swatches. I'm pretty sure I showed you swatches in that video, but I showed you a look for sure. I think I showed you 2 looks in that video. And then I got this heavy box, and I was like, what could be in here? Well, they sent me their foundations, which I already own one of them. I did an entire review on it. I think I uploaded it like 6 months ago. Whenever it came out, that's whenever I did the review on it. So I was really excited whenever I saw that the box has a whole bunch of different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the swatches because I think that is the most helpful thing to show you, is just all of the colors. So here they are. I was super excited whenever I opened up the box. I was like, what? You know, I have never had a company send me their entire foundation line, and so I was like really excited whenever I saw that. I was like, what? I already own this foundation, so I already love it, and now I have different shades so that way I can choose mine, because the one that I have now is a little bit too orangey for me, and it was from the very beginning, but now I know which one my actual shade is. And just knowing that Too Faced has sent me some products is pretty cool because I have been buying from them forever, so I pretty much deserve it. No, I'm kidding, but honestly, I have bought so many of the products. I have reviewed so many of the products. I have tried almost every single one of the chocolate bar palettes except for the peaches one. I still don't own that one, but I for sure didn't own this natural matte one either. So that is a product that I probably wouldn't have purchased myself, but I'm glad that now I got the chance to try it, and it is really nice. And the foundations, like I said, I already own it. All right, so the next products are from Persona Cosmetics, and I was really excited when they asked me if they could send over something to me, and I was like, please. No, but they sent over their palettes, and this one is a neutral tone palette. I created a look with this already and posted it on my Instagram. The colors are really, really blendable. It is such a nice palette. It is something that I probably wouldn't have picked up myself just because I am very much into color, and to buy so many neutral tone palettes, to me, it's like, it's way too much. Like, I already have a lot of the shades. I'm very happy that I got the chance to try it. The shimmers in here are so so intense. Like, you will see, I created a look with it. I was wearing it in this video, but I also have some pictures that I posted on Instagram, and the look is just beautiful. It is like a bronzy look, and it looks stunning. Like, I really, really like that look. And then the highlighter is my favorite. This one is in the color Zuma, and this is the packaging right here. It's really nice. It's a nude pink packaging color, but the highlight is super, super nice. So I really, really like this highlighter. I have been using it a lot. The highlighter is my favorite. Like, out of the two things that they sent, the highlighter is my favorite. I have been using it a lot on my face and on my body. I just really like the glow that it gives. Oh, and I don't think I told you the name of the palette, but it is called the Identity palette. Right, so next up is Derma E, and they sent over one of the things that I already have. I'm pretty sure this is the one I already have. Yeah. I have the charcoal mask. This one is the purifying 2-in-1, and I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna open the entire thing just because I already have one open and I don't need to open this one. I've tried so many Derma E products because it's not the first time that I received something, so I already do have this product. This one I don't have. This one is the Purifying Daily Detox Scrub, and it is activated charcoal, but I'm also not gonna open this because I already have an exfoliating product that I'm using currently, and so yeah, I don't need to open it yet. So that is Derma E. And then I got some other Pixie things, and I have another box from Pixie, and they sent their eyeliners. I've already used a few of these though. Some of these I haven't though, so that's why I still have them in here. I have used this purple one, and this one is in the color Velvet Violet. I've also used the rose gold one, which is called Rose Glow, and I don't have the actual pencil. I've also used this one, which is Mauve, and this one's called Matte Mulberry. I still need to use the blue one. I think I've swatched it though. This one is called Black Blue. And then I haven't tried this one, but it is their eyeliner, and this one is called Lash Line Ink. I've also already used the mascara many times, and it is the Large Lash Mascara. And then these two I have not used. This one is the Nude Eyeliner for the waterline, and then this one is the black one because I already have a black one, so I'm not gonna open this one yet. And then I also got the eyelash primer, which I have not tried. Okay, so I got one product from Amazing Cosmetics. They sent over a primer, and this one, yeah, it's a primer for your under eyes, I think, illuminating eye primer. And you can use this one, can be used on the lid and under eye. So I've never tried this product before. I have yet to try this product. I have no idea how it would work on my under eyes, but I am interested in trying it because I'm curious. You know, I haven't tried a primer that's specifically for my under eye area. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. Right, and then these products are the products that I have bought myself. And yeah, there's not a lot, but I just wanted to include them in this video because it's just not enough products to do like a haul on its own. So some of the products are from MAC, and these two are some brushes. This one is the 217S, and I already have the 217, but I just wanted a new blending brush, and I chose this one. And I also got the 224S, and this one is a black one. And I do a lot of different eyeshadow looks, so I do use quite a few different ones, and then, you know, I gotta wash them and clean them and stuff like that, so I need a little bit of backup. So yeah, that's why I decided to get these two eyeshadow brushes. And then I got the MAC brush cleanser, which I didn't really feel like it really works very well. I'm gonna show you another cleanser that is my favorite one, but this one I wanted to get it because some of the eyeshadows that I use stain my brushes. Like, let me show you. This one, MAC 217, I have washed this already a few times, and it still has pink from a BH Cosmetics palette, and it's stained, as you can see right there. So I left it in the liquid just for a little while to see if it would work. I didn't want to leave it in there too long though, because I don't want the brush to get ruined. But yeah, it just doesn't really do anything different. The one that really works for me is this one. This is the Beauty Blender Cleanser Pro, and it is huge. Nobody ever told me that Beauty Blender made such big soaps. I had never seen it before. I mean, I have been It's because I don't really go to Sephora that much, and I got this one at Macy's, so it doesn't even matter. But they sell Beauty Blender at Sephora, so I don't really go that much because I do order online most of the time. But I have never seen it, not even online. Maybe I just hadn't looked. But yeah, I'm glad that I got this one. It is a huge soap, and it also comes with the little pad that you can use to scrub your brushes with. So yeah, I'm really happy about this purchase. I've already used this one already. The one that I wouldn't recommend getting is the MAC brush cleanser. Maybe, I mean, I'm not using it wrong. I'm using it like the way that it says, and I just don't feel like it cleans my brushes any better than the Beauty Blender Solid or the Beauty Blender Liquid Cleanser. I've used that one too. So yeah, I mean, the MAC one is just, it just doesn't really make a difference. I thought it was gonna help a lot with removing the stain from my brushes, but it doesn't. And then the last thing that I got is a travel bag, and this one I got it from Ulta. It's actually by Dulce Candy and Tartan and Twine. Hope I'm saying that right. But it is a travel makeup bag, and since I'm going to be leaving soon, I wanted to get a makeup bag where I can organize my stuff and make sure that everything stays in one place. So this one comes with 3 zipper bags. One is completely attached to the bag, which is the top one, has a little zipper, and then the second one is a plastic one, which is just attached with Velcro, and then the last one is a mesh one. So I think it is very pretty. It's a very beautiful bag. It's pretty big, so it does fit a lot, and I just like the design. Like, it looks really nice. So those are all the products that I got myself, and those are all the products that were sent to me by PR. I would love to know if you like this type of video, so that way I can continue making them. This is my very first video like this, and yeah, that is pretty much it for today. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.